Super Purge Floor Finish Solubilizer is a heavy-duty stripper for heavily built-up and burnished areas. Synergistic solubilizers, emulsifiers, chelating, and anti-redeposition agents combine in a penetrant with a pH-controlled base that produces amazing speed and efficiency. The extra solubilizers allow the liquefied finish to remain in the solution longer without evaporating. It's pH and odor controlled, reducing hazardous vapors and minimizing potential tile damage. And in those tight, hard-to-reach areas, Super Purge is powerful enough to strip without a scrubbing machine.